Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing. Now this unboxing will be a little different because you'll probably see me in different clothes because I'll be filming the unboxings on different days. For now I only have my LookFantastic box, but I got an email that my Glossybox is coming and so is my Birchbox, so I'm gonna jumble it up into one video, but they'll be filmed at a different time. I hope you don't mind that. But yeah, if you're interested in what I got in my boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna start with a LookFantastic, and the first thing that I see is the Magni Wipe Out Eco-Friendly Microfibre Cleansing Cloth. So basically it is a cloth that you would use to take off your makeup with only water. So this is what it looks like. You can use both sides, I would say. Yeah, cute. To be honest, I don't necessarily use them that often, but I do like to take these when I'm traveling, and that's because usually I take only carry-on, and you know, within Europe there's a limit with the amounts of liquids that you can take. So because this is not a liquid, I like to take these just to quickly and effectively remove my makeup. Next up I have the Avant Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shea Butter Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturiser. So I've got a moisturizer. That's great because I had used up my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Now what I did is I actually put in another moisturizer into this pot because I found this pot super handy. So yeah, I'm just basically recycling old packaging, and I love it. So yeah, whenever I use that one up, this one is next, and I'll be sorted for moisturizer for until the end of the year, I would say, which is great. Next up we have the Eyeko Brow Gel, and it doesn't say the color, but this is what it looks like. Let's see the wand. Okay. Oh, that's very interesting because it has little sparkles. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in camera, but the brush is quite nice. Okay, wait a minute. Let me try it on. It's a bit dark, all right. Oh, I do not like that brush. Okay, it's very saturated. Oh, maybe I'm gonna have to give it a try on its own, you know, without having a pencil or a pomade underneath, but not a fan of that, I must say, for the first try. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna declutter it and give it to someone that's gonna love it. Next up I have the Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. So basically this is a face mist. I hope you'll be able to see that. We have a little spritz, which is great. It's just another setting spray, which I love. Setting sprays. I use them every time I do my makeup just to set all of my powders in place. Next up is the Korres Hydra-Biome Probiotic Superdose face mask, and it is made with real Greek yogurt, and it is an anti-pollution tested. So it is supposed to instantly cool, hydrate and nourish skin. Now I'm all for face masks as it is. I love using them, especially now with, you know, the whole quarantine and lockdown going on. We have so much more time to do these kind of stuff, to just take care of yourselves, and definitely face masking is one of those activities. And the last little thing is the Dr. Lipp Tint, and it is a sweet potato pigment. So basically this is a lip balm. Now, as you know, I have loads of lip balms, and really honestly I've only been using one, but I'm slowly working my way through it. Now I probably will not need to repurchase a lip balm for the next 2 years or so, but this is kind of cute. does it have, let's see, the tint. Oh yeah, it has a tint to it, and oh, it's very thick. You can spread it out, and this is the kind of thing that you would have on your lips, which is really nice, especially for like office, or even when, you know, sitting on the couch watching Netflix. You can put that on and let it do its job. And yeah, that's it. That was the LookFantastic box. I'm gonna tell you, if I can find the little pamphlet, I can tell you the sneak peek for June, and we're going to get the Molten and Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. So this is what it looks like. We've received something similar in the LookFantastic boxes a while ago as well, and I've really enjoyed it. I've used it up, I think, 2 months ago or so. So yeah, interesting. Not exciting, but you know, definitely useful. Okay, and it's time for Glossybox. Wow, I love the design of it. First thing I see when I open it is oh Jesus, is this a Mudmasky hair mask and scalp treatment, and it's also a miracle shampoo. So it is pH balanced, repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, and it is dandruff control. So I'm just wondering, how do I do it? Well, basically it's a 3-in-1. It's a conditioner, mask, and a shampoo in one. So this is what it looks like. Interesting. I'm definitely putting that into my shower. Next up is a lip balm, and this is the EOS Organic Sweet Mint lip balm. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it up because I have 10 million lip balms that I'm trying to work through. So this is just going to go into the rotation eventually. Next up, I have a Steve Laurent palette. This is the outer packaging, and this is in the shade, or whatever it's called, Wild Thing. So it's basically just a black packaging, and when you open it up, oh, this is what it looks like. So it's a basic neutral palette. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, because it has a variation of mattes and shimmers, and it has a little mirror here. So very interesting. I might put this into my Shop My Stash for next month to see if it's worth it or not. Next up, I have the OKSOS Skin Calming Dalmatian Print Sheet Mask. It is with charcoal and white tea. So this is what it looks like, and this is the design of the sheet mask. So super cute, but I am not sure what it does. Like, is it moisturizing, or is it detoxifying? I don't know, because it doesn't really say. Oh well, skin calming. So there you have it. And lastly, I have a pencil from the brand Stargazer. It is a glitter pencil, and it is in a silver shade. So this is what it looks like. I am not going to open it up because I already have a silver eyeliner that's opened. So I'm going to keep it until I use that one up, and this will be my next one. So not a bad box. We have some skincare, we have 2 makeup products, and some hair care as well, which is quite nice. But next month, when I saw this, I was so excited. Oh my god, next month we are going to get the Huda Beauty double-ended eyeliner. So basically it is a liquid eyeliner and a pencil eyeliner on either side, and I actually wanted to buy this not too long ago, but I was like, I already have an eyeliner, so I don't need it. You know, it was just like, it's one of those things that I want to use up before I buy a new one. But oh, this is so exciting. Next box is gonna be Balm. And lastly, I have my Birchbox, and this month Birchbox came in a tin packaging. Now, we had one like that before last year, I think, and I've repurposed it as a tea bag holder basically. So I find these tin packagings super handy. Okay, so let's start off. First up, we have a Balance Me PHA Clarifying Mist. So basically you're supposed to spritz this onto cleansed skin and pat it until fully absorbed. So this is not a setting spray, this is a skincare mist. So very interesting. Last month we got, I think it was in this month's LookFantastic box, we got the Balance Me Plumping Hyaluronic Mist, which I'm actually using to wet my eyeshadows to make them more intense, but it works well for that. But this is super interesting. I might put it downstairs to my bathroom, you know, just to try it out at night and see how it works. Next up, we have the Caudalie Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting Serum. What the fuck? That doesn't make sense, but sure. And this is what it looks like. And actually, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but I can. When I put it up against the light, this is how much product there is inside this bottle, like up to here. So what's happening here? Like it's so light, you could, like, I can feel and I can see that I'll probably use it up within 3 uses. And it says 10 mils of product. Is this 10 mils? I don't know, please explain, because yeah, it feels like I'm getting played here. Next up is this Lux Bliss Miracle Africa Argan Oil and Marola Brightening Hair Care Conditioner. So this is what it looks like. Now this is a decent size. I can't see how much we have here, but I think, yeah, we've about that much product inside this little thing. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use it twice, maybe 3 times actually. So that's interesting, and it's a natural formula, so it's free of any kind of bad things for your hair, which is great. So I can't wait to put this into my shower as well and try it out. Next up, we have the Absolute New York Blush Balm, and this one is in the shade Cotton Candy. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna swatch it to see how it looks. Ooh, that's a lovely color, isn't it? Just my nails a little bit. That's actually really pretty. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I already own a blush balm from this company. It's more of a kind of, you know, NARS Orgasm kind of shade. That's what I own, but this one seems very interesting. I really like that one. And then the last thing inside the box is a MannaKadar Bloom Mascara, and it is in the shade Jet Black, even though the packaging is pink. The actual color should be black. I've had this mascara before from another box. I did not really like it. I used it up because, you know, I use up mascaras anyway, but it wasn't my favorite. But maybe I'll change my opinion when I use it again. But that is it. That's all the products that I had in my boxes. Now let me know in the comments down below what you have received in your boxes, if you get any boxes. I'd love to find out. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.